Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is going to be really fast and quick. This is a jewelry box that I found at Goodwill, and I'm going to change the base to a different color. Now it's rose gold, and I love rose gold, but I don't like the rose gold with the iridescent lid. So I'm going to go ahead and change the base to match the top, and then put some feet on it, and we'll be done just like that. As you can see, the inside is finished. It's really good. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and do that, and it's going to be really quick and easy. Guys, we're back, and I've already removed the label from the front, and I had to use some acetone to remove the stickiness that was left behind from the label. And next up, I have some of my favorite thing in the world, and this is the iridescent diamond bling. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And guys, everything that I'm using, I'll link it below in the description. So what I need to do is just measure, see how much I need to cut. The diamond bling has adhesive on the back, and I shouldn't have to add any additional glue because it's a mirrored surface. I'm going to remove the top. This first piece will go on the front of the jewelry box. I'm just going to stand this up, line it up, and then put it on. Now that made a really big difference in the look of this jewelry box. So now I'll go ahead and cut the strips for each side and the back as well. This piece is a little bit short, and there's a little bit of damage there, so that's probably why they gave it to Goodwill. Okay, so that's how it looks all the way around. It made a really big difference. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I can still see this edge, so I'm going to take one row of bling and lay it on these edges all the way around. So just put it right on top. So now when you close it, it looks a whole lot better. Those minor little things like that really makes a big difference. So I'll go ahead and do both sides and then come back. Okay, so I'm done adding the trim right inside. I have two of the tower blocks, the Dollar Tree sales, and I'm just going to glue those together. Okay, so now I have 4 because I did 3 off camera. Okay, so I'm going to let these dry for about an hour. Then I'll spray paint them silver, add some bling to them, and then I'll glue these on, and these will be the feet for my jewelry box. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these labels too. So I'll do that and then come back. Okay guys, so I spray painted my pieces silver. This is only 2 pieces. I took some more of my diamond bling and cut it to size, and then glued it on the front of the leg and on the sides. And it's going to go here. Just like that. So I'm going to flip this over, use my clear grip glue, and it's going to go right there. I'll go ahead and put the diamond bling on the other blocks, then I'll come back and glue those on and see what it looks like. So here's the look. Isn't that gorgeous? It looks so much better. Now I also have some iridescent rhinestones, and I chose this one, and I think I'm going to put it right in the middle. Just like that, and we're done. So what I'll do is go ahead and clean this up because it is a little dusty, and I'll come back and put it on display and let you guys see what it is. And again, here's my completed jewelry box. No one would ever believe that I found this at Goodwill. And because of the way it was designed, I didn't have to do too much work to give it a makeover. So keep this DIY in mind when you're out shopping for Christmas gifts. Okay everyone, this concludes my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.